The era we are living in now is the one that has led young people and society as a whole to where they are today. We are living in a challenging time, a time that has affected the human brain, making it difficult for people to focus and sit still for long periods. However, this isn't necessarily a bad thing. If this era has made people lazy, depressed, this can actually be good for you. It makes it easier for you to surpass them, to become better than them, to stand out from them. Because whether we like it or not, life is a competition. If your compy is weak, it will be easier for you to outperform and succeed. So how can you achieve that? The solution is to change the way you approach life. If life is a journey, the average person moves through it slowly, but you need to move faster and surpass them. So how do you change the way you navigate life? The first step is to be aware of your current situation. What is happening and where you are headed? This is achieved by eliminating distractions and embracing boredom. A dose of boredom that will open your eyes to what's around you. Look if you don't know where you are and what you want in life. You shouldn't be able to sleep at night. You should be thinking all day about your life and what you need to do. You know that moment when you try to sleep but can't, and thoughts flood your mind about changing your life, waking up early and working hard, or the moments when ideas about projects come to you. This state occurs when you're not focused on anything specific, when you're not busy. This state is what you should experience all day long. Achieve this by removing social media from your phone, deleting games from your computer, and avoiding anything that wastes time. Your phone or technology in general is like a drug that intoxicates you and makes you forget your problems. You might not be doing anything useful in your life, but you don't care because you're busy all day and don't notice how time passes. This is what happens to almost everyone. Most people are intoxicated and unaware of their own lives or those of others. That's why you need to wake up, confront yourself and your problems, and strive and think and work hard this way. Your brain sounds the alarm the most. Most important thing you need to do is disappear. You need to disappear and stay in your room and work. What should you work on? It could be anything. Studying for an exam, learning a skill, starting a YouTube channel, and so on. But the path to excellence requires strategies, not just luck. Let's start with the first thing in your disappearance. The duration should not exceed 21 days. Initially, in these 21 days, you must stick to your computer phone or whatever you're working on or learning. You need to spend the entire 21 days with it. Your phone should be on airplane mode. Don't talk to anyone or respond to anyone. Even if someone calls and asks you to go out or do something, say no. This commitment to your work has conditions for it to be a successful marriage and yield satisfactory results. If there's something missing in this generation, it's focus to sit and concentrate on one thing without distractions or anything else. If you do this alone, you'll be better than about 60-70% of people, and this isn't difficult. Just follow along with the video and do what I tell you, and that's it. There's a technique called binaural beats. These are brain waves that can guide your brain and make you able to focus more and work longer without losing concentration. You can just go to YouTube, search for them, and listen to them. These waves literally help you train your brain. Secondly, get rid of multitasking. Multitasking is a myth. You need to understand that our brain can't focus on two things at the same time, reading or working on something, and at the same time replying to messages or opening another page with Facebook, or every now and then going to YouTube to watch a video destroys your productivity and focus. If you're reading or working and a notification pops up on your phone, just glancing at your phone makes you lose focus and waste about 10 minutes of your time due to 1 second. I know this is hard, but if you want to stand out, you need to go through this. You need to struggle. You can use the Pomodoro technique to avoid multitasking. Set a timer for 25 minutes and you sit and work on one thing. During these 25 minutes, focus on one task and don't do anything else. When you finish, take a 5-minute break, breathe, relax, and then go back again after 4 25-minute sessions. Take a half-hour break, all this without touching your phone, without playing anything, without replying to messages. This is essential to reprogram your brain. Your phone shouldn't be near you until you finish your daily work. However, from time to time, ideas will come to you. There are two types of ideas related to doing something and ideas related to emotions. Let's start with these. It's very normal to be sitting and want to do something unrelated to what you're working on. You might want to watch a video, take a cold shower. Your brain doesn't know what will come out of it. These ideas sometimes don't leave your mind until you do them, but you can overcome them this way. Dedicate an hour a day for these ideas, for example, at 7 p.m. Take a sheet of paper designated for these ideas when you're busy, and an idea like this comes to you. Take that paper and write down what crossed your mind. Take a cold shower. Take a cold shower. Watch a video. Watch a video. And when it's 700 p.m., or the time you've set for these actions, take that paper, look at it, and do what you wrote down. It's like you're setting aside time in the day for these ideas, so you're not occupied by them all day for ideas related to emotions, such as thinking about something that makes you sad, or feeling the urge to watch pornography. These emotion-related ideas, there's a technique you can use to get rid of them first. This type of thought stays in the brain for 90 seconds. This is their lifespan in your mind. All you need to do is get up, sit for 90 seconds, breathe well, and relax after this time passes. This thought won't affect you with these methods I've mentioned. If you follow them, you'll reach a state of focus that few people have in this time. This part of the video, I advise you after the video ends to replay it and write down what's in it on a piece of paper to keep it, because this information is your complete guide to training your brain to focus. But wait, do you think this is everything? No. There's another component that, if you do, will completely change your life. You need to know that 20 to 30 minutes of exercise a day is very important for maintaining your mental health, and at the same time it enhances your focus and performance. 30 minutes, go out and walk. Go out and run, do exercises at home, do yoga at home. The important thing is to keep the body moving, not just sitting in a chair all day. There are studies showing that sleep significantly impacts human health. Sleep is more important than eating and exercise when it comes to health. And of course, a healthy mind in a healthy body. Good sleep equals higher focus, better performance, and more success and excellence. And don't forget that sleep is also a problem in the current generation. If you manage to improve your sleep, you'll automatically be better than many people around you. You're not a robot. It's okay to take a break once a week, or when you finish this period and complete 21 days, go out and enjoy, meet your friends, play and relax a little. But look, when you establish this system in your life, start seeing results. Start seeing money coming in and improving your professional life. Even those outings and playing will have a different taste. Trust me, these 6 steps or conditions you need to follow to achieve a successful marriage between you and your work. Thank you for watching. Remember the journey to success is about consistency and dedication. Implement these steps in your life and you'll see remarkable changes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tips and strategies. Keep pushing forward and see you in the next video.